Yeah. Leaving me, dipping out on me already. Got what you needed, I guess, quickly. Learned yourself through me already. Gave you what you needed, I guess. Yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with another video, and in today's video we are featuring April Lace Wigs. Shout out to April Lace Wigs for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. Let's get into the specs. We have a 360 silky straight lace frontal wig. This is in 24 inches. This is a medium cap size. This is 180 density. So I noticed it's really hard to find a full density 360 wig, but baby, they got it right. Look, like they got it right. This is definitely full. So for this unit, I decided to go with a inspo style that I found on Pinterest. I will show you that. I'll pop the picture in here, but I also show it to you later in the video. So for this unit, I did bleach the knots and I plucked the hairline. So that I did do prior to this video. We will just adhere this with the regular ORS spray, and we will get into the style.
You got something real life, baby. You wanna get with me, stop. Yeah. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey. Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now.
I do notice that this company gives you the options to get a silk top with this wig, but we did not do that. This hair did come with pre-plucked baby hairs. I opted for no baby hairs for this look because style didn't really call for it. The style didn't call for it. You wouldn't have seen them either way, so I didn't want to take the time to do that. I did not tweeze the back of this unit only because I did not plan on wearing it in a high ponytail, and there are even ways that you can finesse it even if you are wearing it in a high ponytail. You would just have to pull some of those pre-plucked baby hairs out so that it falls like a natural nape area. Unless you're someone that wants everything super tight and silky straight, then I would suggest tweezing just a little bit in the back. So this lace did adhere really well, so shout out to them for putting this bomb lace on this bomb wig.
You said you never traded no, and I believed you when they told me don't. But either way you're still invited and I can't even lie to you. Swear these days all you say is come and see me for once, come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me, you don't ever come to me. All she hit me with is come and see me for once, come and see me for once. Oh, y'all never come to me, y'all never come to me. Why you gotta start, girl, why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing in the field and he still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things that make me feel the way I make you feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared, maybe take a couple sick days and not miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place or how it's decorated. This thing is getting one-sided, I can't even lie to you right now. Yeah. All she talking about is come and see me for once, come and see me for once. Y'all never come to me, y'all never come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me for once, come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me, y'all never come to me.
Okay, so now that we've gotten into the final part, which is the styling, I am just straightening the hair because this is a straight texture, but once I washed it and let it air dry, it did fall into a subtle wave. So if you prefer to wear it in the natural state, that is definitely a look that you can go for. I would say that it's versatile because you can wear it straight or in that natural wave. Overall, I really do like this hair. This is priced at $359, which for this quality, and this length, I honestly feel like it's worth it. This hair definitely is worth it. It is so full. Once again, I have not worked with this company before, but definitely do your research and check out some other videos here on YouTube to see what they are about. And if you are interested in seeing how this look came out, I did show you 2 different styles, but if you want to see how I style this, just stay tuned to the end of the video. Shout out to April Lace Wigs for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Hey, Andy.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsie. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, this shit going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the army, the navy.